Hello guys and welcome back to the Funway Coding channel. My name is Shourya Kelkar and today we'll be learning about Dart basics. Are you excited for learning Dart coding with me? I hope so. Before we get started, I hope you press the like and subscribe button if you've not already done that and share it with your friends. So let's get started. Today we'll be learning about type conversion and little strings in Dart. But we'll be diving straight into live coding because these things cannot be explained in theory. So let's get and search up .type. You could also use Replit or any other IDE you've installed. First, we'll be putting in the void main, the entry point to our program, so we can run. So we can run it, got no errors. Okay. So first, I'm going to say, first is type conversion. What is type conversion? Is that type conversion is basically converting one data type to another data type. So, like for example, I'm going to say string to an integer. So string, so string to int. And here I'm going to say my string going to be is number is, oh wait, so I'm going to say, if we say var, let's also say string, whatever, number is equal to, let's say, about 56, but we write it in string format. And now we want to print this. So you print int, say int dot pass method, and in that we write the number, which is an int string. If I print this, it'll get me 56 as an integer. You cannot do this any other way. This is the only way to do it. But to check that we have done it into an integer only, we will say dot and say dot run type. And while doing this, we'll give us int. This is a string number after has been turned into an integer. But now let's look at integer to string. How to do that is easy. So I'm going to say my number is equal to, let's say, so first we got to do the var num is equal to 867, and then I'm gonna say var num is equal to 67, and then I'm gonna say print. I'm gonna say print number. So I'm gonna do is number dot to string. So to string, and you print out the 67 in the string format, 67. But to check it again, I'm going to say dot run type, and it should give a string. Good, cool, it's working. Okay, so let me just turn this into let's do now converting floats, integer to float. So integer to float is very easy. We have to do say int to float or double. If you have no Python, it's a float, but it's a double. And so for int to double is that if you got a number which is equal to, let's say, 67, where before that, and then after I say print, and then say inside this bracket I have to say a double num, and it's basically num dot to double. And when I do this, it will give us 67. This as a double. It'll act. This is what it's saying is an approximation. So it'll just round it up. So this is type converted. Now let's look at F strings. F strings is literal strings. They basically are variable substitution. So if I say now, suppose if I just take this out first and say, suppose I've got my name as a score, we'll say text is equal to, let's say, define the string. Now is defined as string. So I'm going to say text, let's say your score is equal to not a predefined number, because that will be just hard-coded value. I want to say, suppose I'm going to say score here is equal to 10. Honestly, here I want to say, yeah, 1 minute. Add this in, add this variable in it. Now, suppose I want to say here is that I want your score is equal to this score. So it's outside the text. How do we do that? Is using substitution. In Python, you must have seen that we do F strings and put the F here, but we don't do that. All we do is add a $sign. Here we go. And let's say this the variable's name. And if I print this out now. Print text, it could give me your score is equal to 10. So now if we change this to 89, suppose we pick a random numbers, 10 will choose it 89. So this is the end for this for today's Flutter Dart class 2 coding video. I hope coding video, and I hope you press and click that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.